Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today is an exciting video, I'm not gonna lie. There's a lot going on. We're going to Mexico, which I'll talk about in a second. Straight off the bat, I wanted to update you guys on some Levavi stuff. So I placed the order for the bags. I might break some hearts here, but I ended up going with the canvas one. A couple different reasons. Okay, so I tested both the bags out. I put a wet bathing suit in the canvas one, and then I also put a wet bathing suit in the polyester one. And one thing I realized is that polyester does not mean that it's waterproof. So in theory, this would have been great as a wet bag, but the water still seeped through. Obviously not as much as the canvas bag, but it did seep through. I also don't love the marks that it creates once it's been tossed around. But the determining factor as to why I chose the canvas one over this one is because the manufacturer told me that it was recycled, and it wasn't recycled fabric. So that just completely, it's gone. While I look for a recycled fabric, this one is gonna have to do for now. I'm gonna see how the response is, if you guys like it, if you don't, if you hate it, maybe we'll make adjustments in the future. But right now I absolutely love this one. This one was more expensive than the polyester one, but just the fact that it was not recycled, I just could not go on with that one. So the canvas one is the winner. Love it so much. I just think it looks classier, to be honest, and a little bit more luxe. I don't know, I hope you guys love it, and I hope you guys reuse it for makeup and toiletries and whatever it is. And I hope that every time you see that, you remember me and the love that I've put into this brand so that you guys can enjoy it to the fullest. Now, that's that. I am about 2 steps away from confirming the big order. I'm gonna get that done tonight because I do leave for Mexico on Monday. Okay, Mexico. Some of you may or may not know that Taz and I were supposed to get married this week in Mexico, but of course with the pandemic and COVID, we decided to go ahead and cancel it. So we're not getting married anymore. So we decided we wanted to do something to celebrate our would-be wedding, and well, what if we try to go to Mexico? So we are. We have decided that since we're canceling our wedding, and since we are going to be 6 years together on Thursday, we kind of just wanted to do something for us. And so we're going to do everything we can to be as responsible as possible and safe as possible. But I'm excited. It's going to be nice to get away for a little bit. And what's really cool and kind of weird is that Taz and I have never been on a vacation together, alone. It's always been his family or my family or our families together. So it'll be really nice to just get away with him and just, a week just us and celebrating each other and life, and it'll be really special, and I'm really, really excited. So I'm sorry if I look like I've been crying. I'm looking at the viewfinder now, and it's because I was. I'm sure most of you have heard already that Chadwick, the actor of Black Panther, has sadly passed due to colon cancer, and it's kind of hit me hard just because obviously I didn't know the guy, but life is just so fleeting, and I just wanted to remind you that reach out to those you love. Let them know how much you love them. Let them know how much you care for them and you appreciate them, because we never know what could happen. Some deaths are unexpected, some are expected, but the end result is death, unfortunately. And so love the people while they're here. And I just want to encourage you to do that. So that's why I've been crying. I just was hugging Taz, and I was just emotional, and I'm about to get my period, so a whole thing. But yeah, that's that. What else did I want to tell you? Oh, a couple things. I am actually in the running to win a $3,000 grant for Levavi, and we have until the 7th. Okay, I'm ahead of myself. So it's a voting system now. I am one of the 10 finalists, or 10 semifinalists for this grant. They're picking 5 winners to win $3,000 to go towards their business, and that would mean the world to me if I can just use that for Levavi. I talked about it a little bit on Instagram, but I want to put that towards a designer and just have a head designer and just elevate the brand, because by trade I am not a designer and I would just want to take Levavi to the next level, and that would really, really help. So this next portion is all votes based, so you guys can help me win this. I'll put the link in the description box below so you can check it out and vote. We can vote daily until September 7th. So please, 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 if you're watching this, hit pause, go vote, and come back and watch the video. It would mean the world to me if I ended up winning, especially with your support. So thank you in advance for voting. And then last but not least, we're gonna get ready for Mexico. So I went to Zara yesterday, bought some things for Taz. I have some stuff in my closet that I've been pulling. And what's really, really cool is that I'm gonna be shooting Levavi in Mexico. So I'm gonna put all of the pieces, I'm gonna style everything, and then we're just gonna shoot there. I do have to go get some things at the mall. I do have to go to the post office to ship off some Levavi stuff, but I'm gonna take you guys through the day with me, see how we get prepared. So I'll see you in 3, 2, 1. Okay, so I'm currently trying stuff on, and I love, love, love this top. However, the shorts are a little too short, so I cannot wear these guys. So what I'm doing right now is I'm planning my outfits for each night. I have never really done this, but I wanted to take the time beforehand because there's just a lot going on, and I want to be able to know what outfits go with what, specifically for the Levavi campaign shoot, and then also when we go out at night. I told Taz, I made him promise that we're gonna get dressed up every night, because sometimes when I'm on vacation, which is fine, I'll be like, I just want to throw on whatever and then just go to dinner. I want to actually like get dressed up, get fancied, and enjoy ourselves. Is he coming in here? Hold on. Oh, I thought you were coming in here. Where are you?
No. Patty's not gonna have me stuff until the end of the day. Hey!
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 Are you excited?
So excited!
What are you the most excited about?
Being alone. This is the first trip we've taken like on our own.
Yeah, I said that.
Cruise was with my parents. Mexico is with my parents, and your parents.
And then Mexico was with your parents.
Yep.
So we've gone on vacation. Not even vacation, we've gone on trips to like LA together or like the Arnold, but it's always been like around other people. And this is gonna be the first trip in 6 years. I'm excited. We're gonna hang out all the time
for
together.
5 nights.
5 nights.
Did you already?
I'm gonna finish doing all of this stuff, prepping, and then I'm gonna figure out what I need to go get. And Taz and I are actually gonna go to the mall together, get some, like I have an electric toothbrush. I don't want to bring that, so I'm gonna get a toothbrush. Gonna get more antibacterial. We got some new face masks yesterday. My mom sent me like the clear thing, so I'll probably use that for the airport. Yeah, bring you guys along. Let's go. Hi, friends.
How's your mask on when you're outside?
I was just getting ready.
Okay.
Anyway, we are at the mall. We're returning some stuff from Zara. We just went to H&M, and Zaddy over here.
That's me.
Got so many
Zaddy.
things. I tried to look for some high-waisted shorts, but none of them fit this booty.
There's a heat advisory in Houston, by the way. It's freaking hot out.
Yeah. But
So
that's a side note. Now we're just, like, I think we're gonna go to Target, Zara, return some stuff, and try to find the last minute things we need. Like I said earlier.
all right,
Let's go.
let's go.
Gotta find the keys. It's so hot. Success. I'll show you guys what we got inside. But I still feel like we're missing stuff. If we are, it'll be okay, because we'll be in an all-inclusive. Can we go up the elevator? Please. Is that poop? Is that Kona? Okay, so obviously you guys know that you can't try stuff on, or maybe you don't know, you can't try stuff on at the mall, so we bought a couple things for both of us to try on and return if they didn't fit. So Taz just tried on these linen pants. They don't look that bad.
Not bad, but like right here you can see there's a
Show me.
lot. Nope. You can see it's very, very tight right here. So like any movement.
And they're super short.
They're short.
Turn around. Go to the side. That booty dough.
Yeah, no. Maybe the XLs, but probably not.
Are you gonna try them on?
So probably no go.
Sweet. Try them on. Hold on. So those look better, but they're just huge.
This is big.
What do you think?
No.
No, not for it.
Comfy enough for me to want to keep them.
Okay, and now show us what else you got.
I got basically the same color, short sleeve.
I love this one.
Linen shirt.
$6.
Yeah, I don't pay full price for stuff ever.
What happened to your pinky? Oh, why is it white? You need calcium?
Yeah, I think that. I don't know. What does that even mean? Anybody know what that means when your nails have little white things on?
Pretty sure it's like you need calcium or something.
No way.
Baby, hurry up. Oh, take it off. Poopy, stop that. These are all my outfits. I think I only got 2 things. I got these shorts actually today at Cotton On. I wanted like a mom style. These, I'm gonna try these on, and I think that's it. Okay.
I'm literally an islander. The heck? I don't know if I like this either.
The shirt?
It feels weird.
I told you, I don't know that Yeah, I don't like this, the
neck?
I don't like the neck part.
Really?
I don't like it.
I was gonna wear this more so just as like a pool.
Oh yeah, that works. If you
Cool.
leave it open. Yeah, for sure. That I like. Okay, bye. So the shorts I got, these are from Cotton On, you guys. They fit perfectly around the booty. But look at this. Like, look at the amount of fabric. It's just so wild. I can never find anything that fits. I was telling Taz that there should be some sort of like bottoms that you can, like, what did I say? That you can adjust so you can get up through your butt, because I couldn't fit into anything because I can't get it up my butt. But
She has to buy things according to her waist.
Yeah, I have to buy things according to my hips.
Your hips.
But then I have all of this, so I was like, maybe like, I don't know. Anyway, I'm gonna keep them because they're cute. Just put a belt on them and like make them like super mommy. But yeah, these are the ones. This is literally the only. I got this, and then I got this white cover up because I didn't have a white cover up. I have a black cover up, but I don't have a white cover up. Okay, that's it. Hello, friends. It's now 6:45. Poopy is being so needy, but I love it when she's needy. 6:45. I went and got my nails done just because for the campaign I want to do a lot of close-ups of like me with holding the strap or like my bottoms and stuff like that. So I wanted to make sure that the nails were good to go. I love this color. This is actually one of the colors that I bought during quarantine because I got myself a kit, and I actually just took it, and it's beautiful. A lot more beautiful than what I used to do. So I'm very, very happy with that. Now I literally have so much to do between today and tomorrow, so I'm a little bit overwhelmed. Now I'm going to just primarily pack, try to get things ready to go so that tomorrow, if I'm missing anything, I can just leave real quick, pick it up, and then come back and be pretty much done. So I'm gonna get this out of the way, get the shoot stuff out of the way, and then start packing so that, like I said, tomorrow I can just work on things that I have to do here at the house, and if I need to leave for whatever reason, I can really quickly and pick up whatever I need. Okay, I'm gonna do that. I'm not gonna video it because it's not fun. Maybe a time lapse, who knows? Let's go. It is 9:45 and I've gotten a lot of stuff down. Pretty much all packed. All I need to do is pack my toiletries and last minute things like makeup and stuff. But now it's dinner time, and I wanted to come on because this is like I don't talk about this very much, but back in the Dizzy, when I didn't have the best relationship with food, this is something I would never do. I know I have a bikini shoot in 2 days, and I would never eat pizza. And today we're eating, this is, I think, white cheese, bacon, I don't know what pizza, but it's delicious. And I already had a slice, so I just want to come on, let you guys know that eat the pizza. Like, if you want pizza, eat the pizza. If you don't want pizza, don't eat the pizza. But today I want pizza, and in 2 days I'll be on a beach. So I'm happy. Okay, I'm gonna end the vlog for tonight. I'm gonna do some work. I have to get some stuff ready before I leave, and then tomorrow I'll just bring you guys along for the rest. Okay, I'll see you mañana. Bye. Good morning. Good morning. It's now Sunday. It is around 1:30, and what a day I've had already. I woke up around 8:30, watched church, went on a walk, washed my hair, got on a call with a graphic designer that's helping me with this new launch. And then I had all of my client calls back to back to back until right now. And I wanted to get them taken care of before I leave because obviously they're my first priority and I didn't want to leave them hanging. So all of them are good to go. Now I'm gonna go get my eyebrows done because it's been a hot minute and I want to look beautiful for this campaign. You know what I'm saying? I'm not gonna take you guys with me because I'm just gonna go do that and then run one more errand and then I'll be back to literally finish packing. I'm just so excited. Poopy, you so excited? I'm gonna miss you, mommy. I'm gonna miss you too. I'm gonna miss you too, Kona girl. I'm gonna miss you too. Okay, all right. I'm gonna go before she attacks me too much. Okay, wow, that's a lot. Okay, so we ended up buying actually, you know what? Let me just reintroduce this. What time is it? It's like almost 6 or 6:30. And we are just finalizing all of the stuff we're taking. We're taking a checked bag, a carry-on, another carry-on, like Taz's, and then my like personal. We haven't weighed anything, praying that it's...
Well under.
Oh,
I just picked it up.
Oh, you did. Last night he was giving me so much crap. He was like, if this is over 50 pounds, and I said it wasn't, and he didn't believe me. But anyway, we are, well, what I was doing, I was trying to figure out what to put in our carry-on versus the checked bag. Fun fact about us, we don't ever check bags. So this is gonna be like something new for us, but I wanted to make sure that I packed what I needed to pack, especially since this is gonna be the campaign shoot, or part of it anyway, and I wanted to make sure that I had everything I needed and not like spare anything. So that's what we did. I did have a question that I wanted to end the vlog with. So obviously I'm gonna be shooting everything that's launching. Well, not everything, but most of the things that are launching. But like I've said in other vlogs, I've kept some things a secret. So I need to know, do you guys want to see everything before it launches? Or do you want me to keep some surprises? I know it's probably silly. I feel like all of you are gonna say like, tell us now, but part of me wants to keep some surprises until launch, but then other parts of me want to like show you everything. So, okay, I think that's it. Leave any questions you have for us while in Mexico. If you have any questions about traveling, concerns, anything, leave them below and I will try my very best to get those answered for you. Thank you guys so much for watching. We're gonna be off the grid for a little bit. We're gonna be celebrating our 6-year anniversary and our would-be wedding. This is gonna be really nice. Just get out, enjoy some time together, and yeah, I'll see you guys when we get back. Love you all so much. Thank you guys for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you guys in the next one. I love y'all. Mwah.